Man, fuck this beat.
Hey guys, this is our factory. Our ice crystal titanium version is being assembled. I came to check the overall quality. This is the foam material we use for loading. It protects each component. These are cutting tools for CNC immersion tools. Different cutting hands are needed for each type of material or workpiece of different grain size. This is application material for CNC immersion tool. The cutting hand is used for eagle medium, and the water is used for cooling and lubrication. The immersion tool. The CNC machines are producing our new products for the next few months. Our upcoming product is the Supreme Happiness fidget slider. Hope you enjoy our videos. See you next time.